Okay, so I wanted to make it a quick video of installing the pump, but I didn't have time to film it. I just had to do it because it was pissing down rain, pouring out rain. But it's really actually simple to install these things. And here's where your wire is going to go. So you're going to wire up to here. These pumps can run 110 or 220. And underneath here, there's a switch. So you got to make sure that switch is set to the voltage that you want, 220 or 110. And then when you wire in here, there's the ground, and then there's two contact terminals. If you're running 110, then you're going to have positive, and then you're neutral, and then your ground. If you're running 220, you're going to have hot, hot, and then ground. Really simple on that. And then your out tap, wherever it's going, simple plumb it in. But when you're connecting it, make sure that you can remove the components. Like there's supposed to be a filter in here, but I'm waiting for the new filter to come. But as you can see, it's set up with couplers, so that way I can install the filter with ease. And also my one-way backflow valve, it is at the low end, not the high end, because this is a gravity fed tank. So I want to maintain pressure as far back as I can, so when the pump starts up, it doesn't have a dry spot and it holds pressure properly. But yeah, it's quite simple and easy. Just make sure that you have no leaks, that everything's plumbed in together proper. But yeah, make sure you got your backflow valve. Make it easy to access and take everything off for servicing and fixing and cleaning stuff out. And it's really that simple. Just wire it up, and you have to prime them. Yeah, I got to prime them first because this is a gravity fed system. I didn't have to prime it, it primed itself. But yeah, it's really simple. But like I said, where your filter goes, make sure that that you use the easy connects, so that way you can disconnect and clean it out properly. Make sure your one-way valve can be removed, so that way it can be serviced or replaced when needs to be. But aside from that, these things are really, really easy. But yeah, just wire it up, hook up your pipe, make sure you got your backflow, make sure you got a filter in line in the system, and you're off and running. It's not really hard. This is one of the easiest things to actually do. And they're usually set for kick in at 30, kick off at 50 psi. If you want to increase the psi, don't play with the gauge. Just add an extra 5 psi pressure to the tank and you're fine. But yeah, I wanted to make a video of me installing it, but it was raining too much and I didn't have the patience to film while working in the rain. But it's really easy. Wire it up, put your pipes on, make sure you got no leaks, prime the system, plug it in, and you're off to the races.